Next, we'll look at how you can use widgets to build your website. I really think widgets is what most teachers will use. So an example of a widget, remember we built the layouts in earlier. So next, I can do things like drag a text box in here. So I'm dragging my text box in, the widget of the text box. And now you can type here. Notice anytime you type, if I do not click on this Save Changes button and I click out of there, I will lose anything that I've typed. So I'm going to go ahead and click Save Changes. Other widgets that I can work with would be like an image. So I'll drag an image over here. And then once this finishes loading, what I can do is upload an image in. So I'll upload. And we'll pull in this help desk image. So you could also bring in code objects if you wanted to insert maybe a YouTube video on here. And I'll drag that just underneath here. And we'll go to YouTube. Maybe you have looked at our Gator instructional videos video and you've learned how to use Screencastify or Zoom or something. So let's go ahead and, I don't know, I'll just grab one of my videos here.
This quick tutorial will show you how to...
Sorry, you're having to listen to me there. But what I do is I go to Share, and then I click on Embed, and I copy this embed code. And then what happens over here in the website editor is I paste that in. And if you don't like the size of it after you publish it, you can adjust that a little bit by the height and width. But I'm going to go ahead and click Apply. And let's preview what we have going on here. So we're going to the Teaching tab. So we have a video. Yes, I would definitely want to go back to the design mode and adjust the sizing on that because it's coming over into my other image there. So I go back into design mode. And then I can click back into my coding here, and maybe I want this to be about half. I'm doing really quick math here, so we'll say 280 by 160. Let's see what it does. Definitely not exact math, but then I preview it, and you can just kind of keep fiddling with those numbers until you get it to the way you want it to look. So yeah, maybe that's too small. You know, I made it too small. I can continue to adjust there. So those are a few of the widgets that you can work with to build your website.